Good day everyone. Previously we have discussed how to set up our ETABS, grids, story data, and section properties. Today we will discuss how to draw the modeling of columns, beams, and slabs. In drawing a slab, you can have two options. The icon on the top, draw, or select what you need. And just scroll it, you can see what you need to draw, and on the icon on the left that is already here, so just click this icon, choose what you need icons to draw: slabs, beams, and columns. So now I will choose the quick draw column plan. So before you proceed, you need to make sure the property that you did before, and then make sure that you are all or similar stories or all stories. Remember that we set up the similar stories previously, and then try to draw the column. First, I will show bounding plane, so you can see where you are working. On the right, on the 3D view, you can see where you are working, what level you are working. Check, make sure that you are property is for column. You have two options to draw the column, and you can see when I click on that joint, there is a column already drawn on the 3D view of our windows. Then all joints I will make a draw, so additional column were drawn. Another option is highlighting all the joints, then you have automatically draw the column on all the highlighted joints. So you can rotate and check what area that you already have column. So you can see the joint, second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level, up to the top. Here I will not draw a column here, because later on I will draw here a shear wall. For elevator or lift and staircase. Now let us draw our beam. On this icon, you will just click this icon. And make sure that you change the property on the right, on the left side below. I will choose the primary beams that we created. Similar stories, then I will draw a beam. So you can see whatever I did on the top, the beam is already drawn on the all levels. So let us continue to draw another beam. With all the beams, then you have all the beams on. You can also make a quick draw of the beams. So we have completed our beam. So I will leave this portion because as I told before, we'll make the shear wall. So I will delete the column on this corner. Let's check our model on the right side. So you can see that we have already drawn our frames. We want to change the color of each frame or to the display output. I will change the column color by click OK. Let's see, you have already changed the color, so you can easily identify what are the columns and what are the beams on our model. Now we will proceed to drawing or modeling of our slabs. First we will unview the columns and the beams. Then click apply, close. So let's begin for this icon, the free draw of the slab. So we will try to draw the slab without using the property that we did, but we will change later these properties. So I'll show you how to change these properties. Example, you neglect click this one and then enter, then you have already a slab. So now let's change the properties that we have slab. So I changed the property of the fourth level story. So one by one I'm changing the properties. Guys, if you don't want to do this before you draw the slab, you need to check that you have already choose the property as I told on the left corner below. So now this the plinth level, but I will delete this plinth level, but because you are in the similar stories, so all levels are also deleted. So what we will do is we'll go back, undo, then try one story and also deleted. And why this is happening? Because on the setup that we did previously, similar story. Click undo and then right click, then add modify story, then just keep this one none or yes, no for top level, so everything is none, no similar stories now. Then click OK. Now you can modify per level, then you can delete the lower level. So rotate, so we can see how we can rotate. We have already, you can also again change what is the slab color. Let's say purple. All the slab color change. So you have three colors now for the column, beams and slabs. Now I will draw additional grid data because I want to draw the cantilever slab. So I will click add and change this value, the origin 0, 0, x2, you can count 5, 10, 16 plus 10, 26, then change this 0 to 26, then y1 negative 1 and y2 negative 1, x1 negative 1, and click OK. But you can see the x1, they are extending more than the 0 origin, and now you have another grid, but it's extending 1 meter from the 0, 0 origin. extending 1 meter. So again, we will modify the grid and we'll put 0. We will put 0 on the x1 and let's see. Okay, now the origin is of the new grid is on the grid A. And now we can draw our cantilever slab. So let's change the mastery story, so that whatever we are doing from the top level is the same happening on the lower levels. But we will leave the grid level because we don't need the cantilever on that level, so we will just keep it this now. Click OK and OK. And let's begin to draw the cantilever slab. I will use this rectangular floor, then make sure that this one is slab, so we don't need to repeat to change all the section properties of all the slabs in each level. So click on this corner, then drag it on the another opposite corner, then you have already slab. So but I forget to click this one story, so I will click the similar stories and repeat again, and I will go to the top level. Okay, now we are on the top level and we are on the similar stories. Then I will click now the quick rectangular slab to draw the slab, cantilever slab on all levels from second floor to the top level. So now we have already cantilever slab. Okay guys, don't forget to save. Check our model. If there is error, select all. 1 meter tolerance, 1 millimeter, sorry, and then our model has been checked. No warning messages were generic. So that means our drawing is okay, our model is okay. Okay, next time I will teach you how to draw the shear wall and staircase. Okay, don't forget to save your works.